Okay, next up we have a word problem. So with word problems, whether it's chemistry or math, what you need to be careful of is recognizing the information that they're giving you, and ensuring that you convert it into a mathematical expression correctly. And so just highlight the words that you need to when you're reading the question, ensure that you understand the question completely, and then use what you've been given to do the calculations that you've probably been taught in class. And so for this question, I have that the square of a number is 12 less than 7 times the number. What is the number? So in this question, my variable, what I'm looking for, is the number. It's what I've been asked for. So I can decide to call the number x. Okay, and then I just need to note some other important language used here. I have 12 less than the number is equal to 12, the square of a number, so the square of my number is equal to 12 less than 7 times the number. So, and then this tells me that it's equal to. So the square of a number, x squared, is 12 less than 7 times the number. So 7 times the number, and then I take off 12. Okay, and so now I just put that all together and I get x squared is equal to 7x minus 12. So convert it into the correct mathematical form. Ensure that you don't change the meaning of what they've said at all, or you'll get an incorrect answer. And then now I just solve for x using what I know from class. So I have x squared minus 7x plus 12 is equal to 0. And so, as I said earlier, my coefficient this time is 1, so I can use product sum. We're going to go over it with the quadratic formula 2. So AC, B, my AC is going to be 12, and my B is negative 7. The factors of 12 are 4 by 3, 6 by 2, 12 by 1. Okay, and please note that this also includes negative 4 by negative 3, negative 6 by negative 2, negative 12 by negative 1. So can I add any of these pairs to get me negative 7? Yes, I can. I can already see it. Negative 4 plus negative 3 is negative 7. So my two factors are going to be x minus 4 and x minus 3. If you'd like to factor it out, you'll get x squared minus 3x minus 4x plus 12, which is x squared minus 7x plus 12. And so my number x is equal to 4 or 3 if I solve for x in these two cases. So x minus 4 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 4, and x minus 3 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 3. Additionally, let's just run through quadratic. So we have negative b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac, the square root of all of that, all over 2a. In my expression, I have a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 7, and c is equal to 12. So let's just go ahead and plug those in. So I get 7 plus or minus the square root of 39 minus 4 into 1 into 12, all over 2 by 1. This will give me 7 plus or minus the square root of 49 minus 48. 4 by 12 is 48. All over 2 by 1. This is going to give me square root 1. So this will give me 7 plus or minus 1 over 2. So my two x values will be x is equal to 7 plus 1 over 2. This will give me 8 over 2. 4. My second one will be x is equal to 7 minus 1 over 2, giving me 6 over 2, giving me 3. So my final form will be, this means x minus 3 is equal to 0, and this means x minus 4 is equal to 0. So my two brackets will be x minus 4 by x minus 3 is equal to my function. So my two solutions are x is equal to 4 or x is equal to 3. And that's going to be it for this question.